if you're looking for a pre-launch strategy, this is a video you want to watch. Also, now we're gonna head into the video and give you some valuable tips. Done so much research on my own. Besides school, I've jumped into YouTube many times, and there's two people mainly that really provided so much valuable information for me, and I want to give them credit. And so I'm going to link them down below in the description. So if that's something you want to look into, you can. Really valuable stuff. So check them out. All right, so we're gonna get straight into the steps of our marketing strategy. So this is what this video is mostly about: our marketing strategy before launching. So if you're looking for a pre-launch strategy, this is a video you want to watch. All right, step one. So your first step, if you're starting a business and you don't have one already, you definitely want to pick a niche that you're passionate about and something that you enjoy doing. You pick something that you actually feel like fits with your lifestyle and also fits with your passion. I've always since a little girl had a thing with fashion. I always had a thing with self-expression and just my own style. And so I figured I was just very intimidated to get into fashion, to be honest. But I did it, and I'm so happy I did. So that's part one: finding your niche. Find something you're passionate about and something that fits your lifestyle. Make sure that you think of the future. Like, let's say if you do get orders and you get a bunch of them, is that something you're gonna be, is it something that you have time to do, and will you enjoy doing it? Main rule of thumb question. So now we're gonna head into part two: finding your target market. And what exactly does that mean, and why is it so important? I know if you're watching this video, you've heard that phrase before: target market. That's literally in anything you search that has to do with business. And the reason for that is because it is so important, and you have no idea how important it is until you start really working on your target market and identifying them. So I'm just going to give you a quick definition of what it is, give you some examples, and then let you know how I found mine. So a target market is basically the audience or people that you want to sell to, right? The services that you have, the products you have to offer. Who do you want to buy, or who are you selling this for? So prime example, I am LOUNG'N casual wear. I sell comfy clothing but still stylish, and I aim to provide for everyday women, right? Women who work, women who are homebodies, women who have children, women who are just typically busy and just need something quick to throw on but still look good out in the streets, right? And then we have Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova typically aims to women as well, right? But it's a different type of woman. This person that they're aiming to, more than likely is more social and is going to social events. She is a IG model, right? She likes to wear more sexy, revealing clothing. That is Fashion Nova's target market, and mine is a more everyday woman type of vibe. So you see the difference, and you see the importance of that, knowing who to market to, so that anything that you create, whether it's or like a collection that you have coming out, a piece that you have coming out, your content, everything has to be for that target market, right? So like, you won't see me putting like club wear on my LOUNG'N casual wear site or IG, because that's not what my audience wants to see. They want to see comfort, they want to see style in that way. And so that is the importance, right? You have to make every decision based on them. You have to remove yourself from the equation. This is not about you. This is about your target market. And this is why it is so important. And to be honest, this is why with 170 followers, I was able to make this many sales, Okay, this is the importance. Most of my followers are my target market, and that's the goal. So what I did is I went onto Google and I searched things like women who buy sweatpants, or like sweatpants lovers, and comfort clothing. I went into women who buy loungewear, and I literally, what I got from that was how much money people usually spend on loungewear per year, which is a bunch. The age range of women who purchase loungewear, so that right there is creating my target market for me without me having to go super deep in. All right, so I googled target market for sweatpants, and I was able to receive this answer. The majority of people interested in sweatpants are between the ages 25 to 34. So off the bat, I already know my target market is going to be from the age of 25 to 34. Those are the people, those are the women that's looking for sweatpants, looking for comfort, right? So to dig a little bit deeper, I went into something called adtargeting.com, I believe. I'll find the link and I'll put it down below. And what this does is you put in like your key term, and I put sweatpants, and what it came up with was Facebook ads and what people are searching on Facebook. This was amazing. So I got the gender of people searching for sweatpants, and it says women accounted for 58.7% searching for sweatpants. They're single. The majority of the women have college degrees, etc., etc., etc. It even tells me what terms go along with sweatpants. So sweatpants and coffee was a major one, and it was just a bunch of great information. So if you're looking for your target market, do your research. And those are two great resources that I just provided for you. All right, so your next step is creating a mission statement. This is number 3. A mission statement is basically saying what it is that you want your brand to be viewed as, like the perception of your brand. For instance, our mission statement is basically to make comfort beautiful. No need to wear nightwear or going out clothing to feel sexy. With LOUNG'N casual wear, you can still feel beauty. Live in your comfort, feel good in real life every day. So that is my main mission statement. This is what I want people to feel and see when they see my brand. So how do you create a mission statement? So the first thing you want to do is look at the purpose of your brand. Try to go like deeper into the feelings of why you're creating it. And so I think we're up to number 4. This is a major key. You want to write down your goals. This has nothing to do with affirmations or just like speaking positive words. This is definitely a business mindset and just a business way of dealing with situations. For your pre-launch, definitely think about how you want to begin promoting that pre-launch, right? That should definitely be part of your goal. So one of my goals was to post brand messaging and values every other day on social media to build trust. I want to build trust with my target market. I necessarily don't want to be like just buy. I'm trying to really get to know them and them get to know me. And then after you write your goal, you're going to want to come up with a strategy. And then it's step number 3, which is a tactic. Meaning, how are you going to get to that strategy to get you to that goal? So that was my goal. I'm just giving you an example. And then my strategy was to do a photo shoot of real everyday women in loungewear, doing everyday basic activities. And then I put some locations that I wanted it to be at. And then my tactic was to hire a photographer and models, post BTS behind the scenes on live and reels on the photo shoot. And that is something I did, and that is something that helped me gain so many followers, and I feel like helped me so much with converting my followers into customers. So definitely write your goal, write your strategies down and your tactics, and implement them. That's the most important part.